Hi, good morning. So today's fun. So I've just taken the tape off at the top of the head and we have some slightly crusty cylinders. So I'm just about to put some diesel and get rid of that water that's sitting on top of that one. Gonna get some diesel and put it on. This looks like it's I don't know what goes on there. I haven't looked up on the engine yet in terms of the tappet, so I don't think it's got open tappet, but I've just drained the sump, and as you can see there's partially a lake in there that's come out of the sump. So obviously the water, when it was flooded, has drained into the block. So the block at the moment doesn't move, so I'm going to put diesel down the bores and see if I can salvage anything. Anyway, catch up with you later. Well, absolutely fantastic news. Just got all the tape and gubbins off the top of the block to just have a look, and I've also emptied the 5 gallon of water that came out of the block from the flooding. But anyway, so I've just put some diesel in the bores to attempt to loosen it up, but now the actual engine does turn by hand, which I'm so chuffed at. It's obviously still a bit of a mess, and it's going to come out and it's going to be cleaned up, but at least it's turning. The bores are rusty, but I'm hoping that we can clean it up with a bit of a, can't think what it's called now, the spinny thing that we can use to clean the bores up. But yeah, so super chuffed. I will continue, but I'm going to leave this as it is now because it's going to hopefully trickle through and clean up the rings and what have you. So yeah, onwards and upwards.